afternoon, Facebook fans. This is Dave Massey reporting live for ADS TV. Next just pointed out that I look a bit bruised and yellow. Probably the fact because I am actually bruised and yellow. My nose is all bust up from boxing and I've got 2 black eyes. Yeah, anyway, that's boxing for you. It's brutal, don't try it. Okay guys, got a real special treat for you in the workshop today. This is going out in a minute. Our #1 customer's picking up any minute now, so I promise I keep it off Facebook until he collects the car, because it's a surprise. He's not heard the exhaust yet. It's the 991 chassis Porsche Carrera GTS. It's like the baby brother of the GT3. Have a look. Right. So this is an everyday version of the GT3, which is basically a race car, track car. This is a more comfortable road-going version of that car. We've added our special magic, as usual. Custom stage 1 software, and also Acra titanium exhaust system. Weight saving, just shy of 9 kilograms. Adds about 35-40 newton meters of torque in the mid-range, but it's party trick, is how it sounds. Now we've got my chief engine revver, none other than Scotty Scooby Robertson. Scotty, would you be so kind to give us a blip or two with the exhaust? This is a valve closed, guys. If that wasn't good enough, now check this out. Oh god, here we go. Oh madame! I'm going out for a cigarette. I'll wait for smoke. It's that good. That's naughty. That's what we call naughty. Right guys, that was your treat today. ADS TV Live, this is what we like doing. Fast cars, loud exhausts. Yeah.